Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. We've got a 2025 Honda. It's an electric vehicle. I believe hybrid actually, to be fair. But this vehicle has basically increased road noise. Obviously mainly, to be fair, because when running around town you've got the really quiet silent engine or electric motors. So what we're doing is we're doing some soundproofing in this vehicle to help with the sound quality. So we're soundproofing as much of the vehicle as possible, and we're also doing a subwoofer upgrade. So I'm going to go to the doors now, tap on the doors so you can hear how they sound before, and I'll do an after. Right, okay, so we're at the door. So now if I tap on the door, you can hear how tinny that actually sounds. That's the same on the rear doors, probably a little bit more tinny. That ringing is obviously just the metal. So what we'll do is we'll show you this once it's been soundproofed, because it will make a dramatic difference. Right guys, so we've completed the soundproofing upgrade. So we've done the doors, rears, we've added the subwoofer. I know I'm at the other side of the vehicle, but I'm just going to knock on the doors so you understand and you can hear the total difference in sound. So that now just sounds solid. We'll do exactly the same on the rear door. That was even tinnier last time, and you can hear it just sounds solid. So we'll show you in the rear of the vehicle. There's the subwoofer, so that's obviously giving him the little bit of pep up on the low end that he were after. So for further information on upgrading your system to add an Audison subwoofer or to soundproof the vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.